Iginit rin ng United Bangsamoro Development Council na binubuo ng 9 na alkalde ng Maguindanao del Norte na dapat ay MILF-led pa rin ang transition period ng BARM sakaling may pagpaliban ng 1 taon ng first regular election sa BARMM. Narito ang pahayag ng mga alkalde.
Ang aming pong panawagan, we would like na itong ating BARM should be a MILF government. So as to the process kung extension ba ito or holdover capacity, so we leave it to the lawmakers in the Senate and the Congress as to the process of appointing or extension or holdover capacity. So ang aming panawagan, it should be led by the MILF, considering na itong BARM government is the result of long struggle of the MILF, itong ating BARM government.
Sabi ko na kanina na as far as the CAB is concerned, it must be MILF lead. However, in the implementation of project in our municipality, siguro hindi ko rin makalimutan na there was an assessment of the PNP. We are one among the peaceful municipalities because of the situation na mayroon na pong agreement between the MILF and the Philippine government. Now, doon po naman sa project coming from the BARM, as it was already pronounced by the Honorable Mayor of Dato Blasinsuat, nagiging partner po kami sa proyekto, pagdating sa proyekto. No? So, tama po yun. Marami po kaming natanggap na proyekto galing sa BARM. At unang-una po dito na nais nating pasalamatan ay yung pong kapayapaan na dinulot po ng pagkakaroon ng kasunduan sa MILF at sa Philippine government. Kaya nga po ang Northern Kabuntalan, kahit na maraming proyektong gagaling sa BARM, kung wala pong kapayapaan, it is very hard for us na magkakaroon po ng malawak na implementasyon ng mga project, even yung galing sa national government. So, sa amin po, sa bayan ng Northern Kabuntalan, pare-pareho kami ng pananaw na the MILF should lead the leadership in the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region po, mostly Mindanao. Marami pong ground, dami pong mga kasunduan na paloob po sa CAB at saka sa agreement na hindi pa po naisang katuparan. So, hopefully, with their leadership, pag sila ang nag-lead, lahat po nung nalagay sa kasunduan with the peace agreement ay may patupad po sa pamagitan ng leadership ng MILF. Salamat po.